So I've been bored for the past few weeks, and since I'm starting to become a Hoovian, I'm kind of thinking that I need my own sonic screwdriver. So I started with the second Doctor's because it's the most simple. But then I wanted to make something of my own, and something that works, not just some little stick. And so I ended up making my own sonic screwdriver. It's kinda based on the 10th and 3rd Doctors. So yeah, it's kind of a magnet. Here, I got this coin. And also, it's an actual screwdriver. So yeah, I kinda like both. So I'm keeping this up. I'm keeping this one just because it's the seconds. And so another thing I want to show is, like 1 year ago when I'm starting to become a Potterhead, I'm also thinking that I need my own wand. And that was before I got this one. I just got this one recently. And so I ended up with my own wand. It's black. It's just a simple stick. And it's kinda comfortable here. It's kinda small. Smaller than the elder one. So yes, I kinda like this one too. So that's my own wand and sonic screwdrivers. Bye bye.